music video has been a complete blast. It's been like a party, literally. We've had so much fun. It's also been very quick because we're trying to finish everything very quickly. We have limited time. I think it's a really cool concept. It's really different. I absolutely love the styling. I think it's really edgy.
I think I stuck to my own unique vision that I had of the video, and that is the most I think any artist can do. It has a great base, fun dolls, metaphor behind the dolls.
Monster High is all about recognizing that we all have some flaws. I think it's about being unique, about being yourself.
So basically these dolls are kids of fictitious monster characters. It's really cute. Frankenstein's daughter is Frankie Stein and Dracula's daughter is Draculaura. So it's really cute, and I'd love to take a couple of styling tips or two from them. Like I was noticing the makeup and the shoes and the clothes are really, really cool.
I think it was very different. I mean, it was very funky, very much.
It's not conventional, so we're actually kind of portraying something to a younger generation.
Yeah, I mean, there was no strong brief or anything. It's just like, of course, there's an outline, but then we had a playground, so we did, and there you see, what I feel.
I just basically took inspiration from dolls. I sort of studied all the dolls, and then I didn't want to replicate them, so I did my version of it.
Monster, monster high, monster high, monster, monster high. I just don't be shy, monster high. The party never dies.
Basically, the styling of this project was a lot of color and stuff like that. So, usually you see music videos very nicely, plainly, very flatly lit, very nice looking, everything. But here we said we should go a little, radical and stuff like that. Put a lot of color, a lot of side lighting, a lot of, little scary bit lighting, but also looking very glamorous. Even in darkness, you can find beauty. That sort of a thing is what I try to do here, and that's how it's different from everything else that I work on.
Fear is always exciting. That way there was a lot to work with. Have latitude from my producers to do what I want, which was great.
The video, the music itself, has all the ingredients, for a potential chartbuster. It has music that grows on you, each time you listen to it.
The concept is so unique in itself, and it's never been done in India before. And we used a lot of claw, kind of sneaky, fabulous, freaky movements.
The whole concept of Monster High is be unique, be fashionable, be funky, and jazz funk is all about that.
Steps are really cool, the song is really catchy, and I hope you guys and I hope everybody's gonna love it because it's freaky fabulous.
Monster high, monster high, monster, monster high. Make you back and fly, monster high. The party never dies.
For now, I can only think of being dead tired. That's it.